So, you guys want to see what's in this huge box behind me? We're going to get into it. Check it out. Oh, wait. And now your mama knows.
And now your mama knows.
So, check it out. My wife brought up, oh, what if we had a treadmill in the house? So I decided, let me just get one of these compact treadmills that you could run on and then just fold up and put in the corner. So I'm going to open this thing up, check it out, and I'll give you guys my real review. So, it's time to cut this baby open. So I had to get dressed for the occasion. Alright, this might not work. Let me try. Try not to hurt. Ah, okay. Alright, let's get it in. Please let this not be that hard to put together. I just hope it's like 2 pieces, and that's it. Alright, let's see. Alright, check it out. This is what was in the box. And what's cool is, this is important. It actually comes with the lube. Every 40 hours, you got to lube up your belt. So it actually came with it, because I seen in the review that it said it should have came with it. But look, it came with it. So that's something for you guys to know if you order this. All right, let's get in it. Dun, 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 dun. Check it out, check it out, check it out. All right, so it was super easy to put together. So here's what you had to do. All you had to do is put these rails in, put 2 screws right there, 1 screw right there, and then you had to do this part, 1 screw right there, 1 screw in the back, 1 screw on the inside, and just do the same on the other side. And then the other side had a wire that went through that connect that together. Literally, that's all you had to do. So putting it together is super easy. I see it's on a little slant, little incline. I don't like that because it's harder. So I'm going to mess around with this and see if you could actually make it not be on the incline. So let's check that out and we'll be right back. Check it out. No incline. So it's pretty simple. You just had to put the pin. You got 1, 2, 3. It was down that one. Switch it from that, switch from that, and now it's no incline. Because incline is a little rough. I'm trying to get back into it. So let's check it out to the next step. Alright, the next thing was I folded it up. And when I say easy, it is easy. All I did was just pick it up from here, off the ground. And then you just literally push it in here. And then you just, boop, pop that right in. It just pulls out and pops in. Super, super easy. It tells you shouldn't move it unless it's actually folded up, because they got wheels at the bottom, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to move it in the desired corner, and then I'm going to turn this baby on, and we're going to see. All right, so why is this thing in pieces? Well, I guess I'll just have to explain. All right, so check it out, guys. Since I call my reviews real reviews, I'm going to have to be real. This thing was easy to put together. It seemed pretty cool, but I had one issue. Once I plugged it up, I got an E code, and I looked it up, and the E code means somehow the motor isn't connected. So I think this wire could be messed up, or who knows. But long story short, I called the company, and they told me that I could take the motor cover off and see if there's a wire loose. I'm like, I'm supposed to do that? So anyway, let's take this motor cover off and see if we can get this thing working. All right, so check it out. This piece right here is the motor cover, and it's actually only 4 screws. One right here, and one on each side. And all you got to do is just loosen it and pull it up. So let's check it out. All right, so check it out. Open up the motor cover. Like they said, it was really easy. But the funny thing is, I noticed there is a wire not connected, and the issue is it's really loose. Like, you put it on, it comes right off, on and off. Like this red one is hard to come off, but this is really loose. So I guess I'm just gonna have to like clamp it just to make it a little tighter. All right, so look, it comes on like it should. Hey, look like it's working. And then you get E4. So what we're going to do is plug that wire up, because what I'm doing is just keeping everything open. I'm going to plug that wire up, and then it shouldn't say E4. So let's see. Alright, let's check it out. Don't see the E code yet. And yeah, that's the issue. So yeah, it's good. So something simple, little wire, just need to be connected. Anyway, I'm gonna tighten this thing up and then we're gonna take it for a spin. Alright, so check it out. Put it all together and I'm gonna press power. Alright, and I am gonna try to do a little light jog. So let's check this thing out. So I have no clue what I'm even supposed to be pressing. I'm just gonna do like speed 5, right? Like, okay, I don't know. Hold on. All right, I'll hit start. Okay, so you hit start first, and then I guess you do your speed. I'm gonna do speed 5, which seems kind of slow right now.
Look at you.
Josie.
My dog looks like she's like, what is going on?
Because that noise is probably
I don't
crazy.
know if
She's trying to butt your
stop,
feet.
dog, move. Reason why I'm getting this thing is I want to get back to doing a 7-minute mile. So I'm going to basically figure out what that is on this thing, and I'm going to do it. But with that said, I think I like it. It's working. Yeah. The Xterra Treadmill is pretty good. I'll put it in the link below so you guys can find it. And I think that's it, right? With that said, now your mama knows. Also, there's a safety button. So if I was to yank this out, it'll turn it off. So I could actually, like, you know, clip it to my clothing, and then if I fell, this thing would turn off. But
Well, we don't do safety around here.
that's right. No safety. So I like it so far. I guess I'll do a mile and I'll see what I think. All right, it's a 10-minute mile. So, reason why I got treadmill is I used to go to the gym and I used to see how fast I could do a mile, and I got to the point where I could do a 7-minute mile. Stopped going to the gym, started doing the intermittent fast, which is amazing, but it was so good, I actually lost, I lost a lot of weight. Eventually my wife was like, you're getting too skinny. So I had to quit. Look at me now. But I don't really go to the gym as much. I work out at home, which I've been getting good results. But I figure I want to still run. So here we are, buying this treadmill. Guys, I give it the 2 thumbs up. As of right now, you see I'm sweating. It went pretty good. It was only $320. I'll link it below. And I like it. So I'll update you guys as it goes on, see how long it lasts. And that's it. So with that said, now your mama knows. What's going on, guys? So we had the treadmill for almost a month now, and we like it. Give it the 2 thumbs up after using it for about a month. Also, I'm not taking any points away from it because I had to open up the motor and connect that wire, simply because that was so simple. It was easier to do that than even to put the thing together. If you run into that problem, it's super easy. So I still give it the 2 thumbs up because that was nothing. So I hope you get it, enjoy it. And now your mama knows. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now your mama knows.